Assalamu alaikum. Here I a simple chia seed pudding recipe that's great for weight loss. Chia seed pudding weight loss breakfast recipe. So let's start. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons chia seed. Chia seeds are very helpful for weight loss. Add a 1 cup milk and stir well. Cover the bowl and refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight. The chia seed absorb liquid and pudding will thicken. Before the serving, given the pudding a good stir, you top it with banana, apple and dry fruits. Which fruit you like, you add. You also drizzle some honey if you desire. This pudding is simple and best breakfast in weight loss. You must try it and comment me would you like or not. Allah Hafiz.